Now let's talk about renaming or moving files. So currently we have a single file in our working directory, and that is file1.txt. Let's rename this to main.js. So we use the move command in Unix to rename file1.txt to main.js. So with this command, we can rename or move files and directories, okay? Now our working directory is dirty, so let's run git status. We have two changes, and both these changes are unstaged because they're indicated by red. We have a delete operation. We deleted file1.txt, and under untracked files, we have a new file. So as you saw at the beginning of this section, Git doesn't automatically track all your new files. Every time you have a new file in your project, you have to add it to the staging area, so Git starts tracking it. So once again, we have to use the add command to stage both these changes. Git add file1.txt. This is for staging the deletion. And now let's add the new untracked file, main.js. Now let's run git status one more time. Look, Git recognized that we renamed file1.txt to main.js. And this item is indicated by green, which means this is in the staging area. So renaming or moving files is a two-step operation. First, we have to modify our working directory, and then we have to stage two types of changes, an addition and a deletion. So similar to removing files, Git gives us a special command for renaming or moving files. That is git move. So instead of using the standard move command in Unix, we're going to use git move. Now let's rename main.js to file1.js. And then run git status one more time. So we have a rename operation for renaming file1.txt to file1.js. So when we use the move command, the changes are applied to both the working directory and the staging area. Now, let's commit the changes. For the message, I'm going to say refactor code. Now look at the statistics. One file was changed. We have 0 insertions because we haven't added any new lines to any of our files. And we also have 0 deletions because we haven't removed any lines from any files.